Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a hand sanitizer spray from the Flipkart. I got it for rupees 300 rupees on the discount sale. Come, let's unbox it. Actually, the package consists of a micro USB cable and the device itself. As you can see, we can charge the device with the help of a laptop or a mobile adapter. The quality of a product is good and it's made in India. Here the blue color light indicates that the device is fully charged. Now let me fill some amount of a sanitizer to check whether the device is working or not. Here we'll separate the cup from the device and fill the sanitizer into it. Fill the cup till its neck. The capacity of the cup is 30 ml and we can use any type of sanitizer to it. Now connect the device to its cup. Press the button on the device to check whether the spray is working or not. As you can see, the spray is successfully working. Now let me sanitize my watch itself and show you the demo. Here the device is performing well and the area which is spraying is very broad. Now let me sanitize my hand and show you how it works. Also you can carry this spray in your pocket also. It's a pocket friendly spray and it is a rechargeable one. I'll provide the link in the description to buy the product. You can buy it from a Flipkart or Amazon. Please subscribe and share the video. More updates will be coming soon.